Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. Today I'm going to make an orange pavlova using Amoretti's orange extract and raspberry swirl. Let's get started. So I'm going to whip the egg whites to a soft peak and I'm going to pour these in and add just a little bit of cream of tartar. Now I have wiped this bowl with vinegar before I started just to make sure that there was no oil in there. So I just want to show you how these look. It's a soft peak, very soft. And I'm going to turn the mixer back on and rein in the sugar very slowly. All right, now I'm going to add some white wine vinegar, a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt, and then I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of Amoretti's orange extract. I can smell the orange extract and it's lovely. So we have a nice, beautiful meringue here. All right, so I'm going to sift in some cornstarch. This is going to give a nice structure to the meringue for your pavlova. Okay, now I'm just going to fold this in gently. All right, so this is ready. I'm going to put it in a piping bag with a tip and we will pipe it on a piece of parchment. All right, these will bake in a 180-degree oven for 2 hours, and then I will turn the oven off and let them sit in that oven for another hour. All right, so I have some cut up berries here. I'm going to add some of our raspberry swirl just to give it a nice sweetness and a little bit of liquidity to it. The swirls add a wonderful flavor without being overpowering. These swirls are great to use if you're swirling in a cheesecake or any other kind of dessert. They're wonderful. All right, now I'm going to start building. So I'm just going to put some whipped cream on the outside. And then, so that it will hold the next layer, I'm going to put a couple of raspberries around the edges. And spoon the berries into the center. And some drizzle of the swirl. All right, now one more layer. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do decide to make this recipe, please take a picture and tag us on social media. You can reach out to us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Amoretti. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell below to never miss a recipe, and sign up for our newsletter to stay up to date on all of our discounts, our promos, and of course our giveaways. See you next time.